Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to activate your Acorns Visa debit card. If you don't have an Acorns account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $5 bonus when you sign up and make your first investment. However, if you already have an account, just open the website then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the middle part of the screen. Click on the option that says Bank Smarter. On this page, scroll down a little and you will see a section from which you could activate your debit card. There, you will see an Activate My Card button. Click on Activate My Card. Now, you will see a message saying that your Acorns debit card has arrived. To proceed, click on the Activate My Card button. First, read the terms and conditions. After reading and if you agree, click on Agree and Continue. Now to confirm your card, enter the last 4 digits of your debit card number. Then click on Confirm Card. After that, set your debit card PIN. Here, enter the card PIN you wish to use. Once entered, re-enter it again to confirm. Then click on Continue. Then now, you could see the features of your debit card. To continue, click on OK. Got it. And now you will see a message saying that your card is activated. That's how you activate your Acorns Visa debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.